Welcome to another episode of Ozfish. Dave here. Let's get some. I'm out on a Jewfishing session, solo Jewfishing session this afternoon, to see if I can sting a few Jew. So I've had some success early. I probably started fishing about 3 o'clock, and yeah, I've already caught a Jew about 81, and I've caught a Jew about 76, 77. So it's been pretty good. Like, I'm going to fish till the bottom of the tide tonight, which is about 6:30, and then I'm just going to wait for the tide to turn, and I'll just fish until I run out of live bait. So the bottom of the tide's about 2 o'clock in the morning, so I'll just see how I go. What I'd also like to do this session is see if I can catch a Jew on the hand line, because I love getting them on the hand line. But anyway, it's a beautiful afternoon in the river, so let's get on it. Fish, let's not panic. Oh, he's going up current. Too bad a fish.
Welcome back to the rush hour with Gus, Jude and Wendell. Follow us on our socials at rush hour at Triple M. And thanks to Tui's. How do you feel? I feel like a Tui's or two.
81. Beautiful colours in him. Oh, missed that fish. Maybe he'll swing around onto another bait, but yeah, Jewfish just cracked that bait. Missed him. Probably a smaller Jew, I'd say. Bit smaller than the last fish. Ooh, nice fish, 78. Yeah, not too bad. Bit smaller than the last one. Yeah, baby. Let's get another one. Yeah, Jewfishing, man, it's a game of patience and a game of like perseverance. When you're Jewfishing, anything can happen at any moment. Like, you know, you can smash a fish, you know, 55, you know, in the 70s, and you know, you can smash a fish up to a metre, and you just never know what's going to happen. You know, like a real big dog could just come along and just without warning just hit you out of the blue. So you've got a coffee up, hang in there, man, just wait for a big dog. So when you're solo Jewfishing on your own, what you got to do, you actually got to be set up and ready to actually be able to land like a really big fish. Like, I'm a catch and release guy, so I'm not relying on gaffs, you know, like to whop a really big fish and to kill him. You know, it's easy to gaff a big fish, you know, just, you know, get them up beside the boat, 50, 60 pound, doesn't matter, as long as you've got a good gaff, you can just belt them behind the head and get them in the boat. But I'm a catch and release guy, so what I'm doing in the boat is I'm actually carrying like 2 nets. That's the sort of main net, and yeah, that net there, I could probably net Jew on my own up to about 120 centimeters, so about a 40 pound fish. But yeah, you got to be ready, man, because if I hit a fish over 40 pound, like a real big fish, you know, like if I hit a fish, you know, like 25, 30 kilo, I've got a second net, and I don't use this net very often. But yeah, it's a heaps bigger net, and yeah, that's me nuclear option if I get a really big fish on my own. So yeah, it's got a big round, you know, like head on it, big deep net, so I should be able to get, you know, 50, 60 pound fish into that net if I really had to. So, but you got to be ready, man, otherwise it'll be a disaster. Oh, that's cracking big Bream. It's a nice Bream, man. Every now and then you crack a Bream on the circle hook. Yeah, it's amazing, really. They're out there, they've been smashing my yellowtail all session, but yeah, that Bream will be on its way to spawn, really healthy. So yeah. Oh man, that was chaos. That's an 82, same as the first fish I caught. But yeah, man, he just like went round the other line and had to just muscle him through the other line there. But weird fish, like I went to check me bait and I moved me bait slightly and he just jumped on me, you know. So but anyway, 82, that's 4 due for the night and 1 Bream. Let's see if I can get him back, revive him. Yeah, it looks pretty lively. All right, that fish swam off really healthy. I think my battery ran out halfway through the fight on that fish, but anyway, let's get another rod out, get another one. Like, I fished the run out tide all the way to the bottom of the tide, which is about 7:30 at night or something like that. And yeah, I caught 4 Jew and 1 Bream. So yeah, it's a fun little session on the run out tide. So a couple of you know, fish around 81, 82, and a couple on the high 70s, another one low 70s, you know, but all legal fish, you know. So an interesting 3 out of those 4 fish came in the daylight. So yeah, sometimes on the bridge it's like that. Sometimes the fish are there in the daylight, and sometimes they're like red hot in the dark. So and sometimes they're not red hot at all. Sometimes you get donutted. So anyway, we'll see what happens on the run in tide. I'm hoping to get a fish a metre plus, a big dog. Fish. Hope he hasn't gone around my hand line. Oh, that was a little chaotic with all my rods out. Circle have just popped straight out. Poor old yellowtail. He's been hit by a Jew and he's still alive, the poor bastard. They're all about the same size fish tonight, like that's an 83. So yeah, still nice fish, long and lean. There you go. On a river schoolies, man. Looking for a meter fish tonight, but anyway, I'll take him. It's been pretty quiet for the last couple of hours, but yeah, nice fish. It's croaking. Alright, that's a wrap for Ozfish. It's getting late and it's getting colder and colder and colder. So it wasn't too bad a session there.